students, I am Sushil Kumar Jain, bring you the first chapter of the mathematics of the class 12th. The first chapter with the title Mathematical Logic. I have taught you before the previous classes of the pre-primary and primary classes mathematics. What is the definition of the mathematics? Mathematics is the game of numbers and logics. Mathematics based on logic. So here is the we start the lesson mathematical logic. गणितीय तर्क. Let's study what we have to study in this lesson. In this lesson, first statement, second logical connectives and quantifiers and the quantifier statements, statement patterns and the logical equivalence, algebra of the statements and Venn diagram. These are the outline of the chapter. Introduction. Mathematics is an exact science. Every statement must be precise. There has to be proper reasoning in every mathematical proof. Proper reasoning involves logic. Logic related to mathematics has been developed over last 100 years or so. Mathematics is the logic based science. Here is the reasoning. After proper reasoning, we find the conclusion and it will be shown in the geometry or the mathematical proof. Proper reasoning involves the logic. Logic related to mathematics has been developed over last 100 years or so. The axiomatic approach to logic was first propounded by the English philosopher and mathematician George Boole, who started the Boolean algebra. Hence it is known as the Boolean logic or the mathematical logic or symbolic logic. The word logic is derived from the Greek word logos, which means reason. जो लॉजिक वर्ड है वो डिराइव्ड कहाँ से हुआ है? ग्रीक वर्ड लोगो से, और उसका मीन है रीजन. रीजन मीन्स कारण. Thus the logic deals with the method of the reasoning. Aristotle 382 to 322 BC before Christ, the great philosopher and the thinker, laid down the foundation of the study of logic in a systematic form. The study of logic helps in the increasing one's ability or systematic and logical reasoning and develop the skill of the understanding validity of the statements. Whatever you say, whatever the people say, we have to go behind their reasoning and their cause and effect. Reasoning means cause and effect approach. Statement. What is a statement? A statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. एक स्टेटमेंट जो है या तो वो पूर्णतः सत्य होगा या पूर्णतः असत्य होगा. वो सत्य नहीं हो सकता. Statements are denoted by the letters like small p, small q and small r. For example, 2 is the prime number. That is the statement and correct statement. How 2 is the prime number? Because the number which is divided by itself a 1, that is called the prime number. So if we check it, that is the what is the statement? 2 is the prime number. So what is the logic behind it? When you tell 2 is a prime number, somebody asks you why do you say that? So that is the what is the logic behind it, you must understand and you must convince others. So there is the logic. So 2 is the prime number. So why is it so? Because 2 is the number which can be divided by 1 or itself. So 2 is called the prime number because prime numbers defined in this manner. The number divided by itself or 1. Every rectangle is a square. Is it true? No. Every square is a rectangle. The sun rises in the west Okay, that is the very good statement. It is a statement, and we always learn it from our pre-primary section, but it is not true. The sun never rises and the sun never sets. Okay, the earth rotates on its axis, and the face of the earth before the sun at the very beginning, at the dawn, okay, that is, we call that the sun rises. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, that is the truth. The sun rises is in the west, that is the false. Okay, the sun never rises and now sets in the west. Truth value of a statement. A statement is either true or false. The truth value of a true statement is denoted by the T, true, and that of a false statement is denoted by F for false. You always do this in your exercises of the all subjects and the question paper and everywhere else. Example first. Observe the following sentences. The sun rises in the east. The square of a real number is a negative. The square of a real number is negative. Sum of two odd numbers is odd. Sum of opposite angle and a cyclic rectangle is 180 degree. Here the truth value of the statement first and statement 4 is T, and that of the second and third is false. देखिए sun rises in the east, that is true statement. The square of a real number is negative, that is the false statement. Okay, the sum of two odd numbers is odd, that is the true, that is also uh, third is also false, and the sum of opposite angles in a cyclic rectangle is 180 degree is true. The sentence like the exclamatory, interrogative, imperative are not considered as the statement. देखिए जहाँ पर भी ओहो आहा एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस और इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस जो है वो स्टेटमेंट में नहीं आते हैं. Observe the following sentences. May God bless you. That is not the statement. Okay, because it is exclamatory. Why are you so unhappy? That is also question, interrogative. Remember me when we are parted. Don't ever touch my phone. I hate you. Fourth is the added. And where do you want to go today? The above sentences cannot be assigned truth values, so none of them as a statement. The statement first and fourth are the exclamatory. The sentences second and sixth are the interrogative, and the sentences third and fourth are the imperative. So now the guys or honeys, you are understood what is the statement and what is the way of the so the statement, or what is the reason behind it or logic behind the one one sentence will be the statement or not. Now that is the open statement. Open sentences. An open sentences is a sentences whose truth can vary according to some conditions which are not stated in the sentence. एक ओपन सेंटेंस वो सेंटेंस है, दैट मीन्स व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एनीथिंग, और एन ओपन सेंटेंस इज सेंटेंस whose truth कैन वेरी अकॉर्डिंग टू सम कंडीशन. अकॉर्डिंग टू सम कंडीशन उसका जो है सेंटेंस ट्रथ जो है वो चेंज होता रहेगा, इसलिए उसको क्या कहेंगे हम, ओपन सेंटेंसेस कहेंगे. जस्ट लाइक द एग्जाम्पल, what is the example of the open sentence? Observe the following: x plus 4 equal to 8. Chinese food is very tasty. देखिए x plus 4 equal to 8, here is the value of x is varies from, okay, what it will be the x equal to 4 as well as the x equal to 4, and the another thing is that each of the above sentences is an open sentence because truth of the first depends on the value of x. Okay, the first means if we say that that is the mathematical expression x plus 4 equal to algebraical expression x plus 4 equal to 8, that is the equation x plus 4 equal to 8, and here is the, it depends on the value of x, so it is an open statement. And Chinese food is very tasty because according to person it will change. Each of the above sentences is an open sentences because truth of the first depends on the value of x. If x equal to 4, it is true, and if x equal to not 4, it is false. And that of the second varies, a degree of the tasty food varies from the individual to individual. Person to person वो change हो जाएगा. That's why. So now note, an open sentence is not considered a statement in logic. जो open sentence है वो कभी भी स्टेटमेंट में नहीं गिना जाएगा, क्योंकि उसके पीछे जो बियॉन्ड जो लॉजिक्स है वो चेंज होते रहेंगे. मैथमेटिकल आइडेंटिटीज आर ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. मैथमेटिकल आइडेंटिटीज जो होती है वो ट्रू स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं. कैसे? ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, एच स्क्वायर इक्वल टू पी प्लस पी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. Okay, so this kind of the formulas and all those identities are called the true statements. For example, a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a, that is the identity element, additive identity for any real number a activity. Now you have to do the activity in your notebook. Determine whether the following sentences are a statement in logic and write down the truth values of the statement. Here is the given the serial number. The first column is the serial number, first to 10, 1 to 10, and sentences 1 to 10 are given here, and whether it is a statement or not, yes or no. So you have to find out at the first, is it a statement or not, or if no, then you have to write the reason in the fourth column, and true value of the statement you have to write in the fifth column. Okay, so we go through this activity. First, under root minus 9 is a rational number. Whether it is a statement or not, yes or no. Yes, it is a rational number. If no, why is it so? Because a rational number, any number that can be represented in the form of p by q, where q is non-integer non-zero integer, so that is the rational number. So minus under root 9 is a rational number. If no, then reason, there is no reason. Reason I have told you, and true value of this statement false. Okay. True value of a statement is false. Can you speak in French? No, because that is the, what is the reason behind it? Because it is interrogative sentence. Tokyo is in Gujarat. Yes, but actually that is the statement, but that is not the, Tokyo is in Gujarat, but Tokyo is not in Gujarat. That's why it is false statement. Fantastic, let's go. No, that is not the statement. Exclamatory sentences. Please open the door quickly. No, imperative sentence. Please, sixth, square of an even number is even only, that is the true statement. X plus 5 less than 40, you have to do it in your copy. अब आपको नीचे जो दिया है उसको आपको खुद को करना है. ठीक है. 5 is a perfect square. West Bengal is capital of Kolkata. I square equal to minus 1. Complete the above table. Okay, that is your homework. Here is the exercise. You have to solve the exercise. So thank you very much. So we will, after this, we will go through the next lesson, next portion of this lesson.